Hello, children. Let me tell you a story with the puppets we made. It's the story of the Golden Goose by Aesop.
Once upon a time, there was a farmer.
Hello, dear. Look what I bought at the market today. A fine goose.
She is a fine goose. She will give us many eggs. Next morning, I'm here to get the eggs, my fine goose. What is this? Only one egg? What kind of goose gives us only one egg? There is something strange about this egg. Husband, look at this egg.
The goose laid only one egg?
But I think the egg is gold.
Let me see. You are right. It is a golden egg.
Do not tell anyone. We could buy something with the gold. We can buy new clothes and get plenty of food for winter with this egg. Day after day, this goose only lays one egg. But they are golden eggs, dear.
Yes, but she should lay them all at once. Then we would be very rich. We could buy everything we would like.
Maybe tomorrow she will lay more than one egg. Next day, there is still only one egg today.
I'm tired of waiting. I'm going to cut the goose open and get all of her eggs. Then we will be rich now and not have to wait for her to lay them all. Oh no! There are no eggs here at all. Oh, we should have kept the goose. Then we would have had at least one egg every day. We could have bought what we need for the day. Now we have nothing. So friends, don't be greedy. Be satisfied with what you have.